Hey guys, Rafi here again, Preferred Plumbing. So check this out. As you can see in the video that I'm showing you here today, there's the first part of the video is a tank seal flapper, which is full of minerals and scale. As you can see, the technician's glove is there. He's wiping off some of it, just so you can really get an idea of how corrosive minerals in the water is to your plumbing system. The next one, as you can see here very clearly, is what it looks like when there's minerals caught in your faucet. And one of our technicians removed the aerator, and you can see all the little components and all the bits in the sink. And the last one is an actual faucet component. It's part of the body of the valve body, basically where the handle sits. We've taken that off. Underneath, you can see a massive amount of scale deterioration going on. And essentially, this is quite simply all because of the minerals in the water. So you can see a couple of FlowTech installs happening here in the video, and you can see how simple it is to deal with this problem, how small the product is, how efficient and effective it is. Check it out. Give us a call. Preferred Plumbing, we're always here to help. Thank you.